If you want to earn dollars by spinning, then this video is for you. Right now I have earned 10 cents live by doing one spin. So far I have earned $7.25 through this app. This app is available worldwide and people from any country can join and earn money. This app is 100% legit and genuine. There are 5 ways of earning through this app. The first way is spin. This app gives one spin on viewing one ad. You can do approximately 20 spins daily. I have earned $7.25 by spinning. The second way of earning is weekly draw. Its total prize pool is $800. The first prize in the weekly draw is $500. Till now 6,273 people have entered in it. Its entry fee is 6,000 tickets. You will have to collect as many tickets as possible to come at first rank 1 in the weekly draw. Now I will show you by making a live entry in it. I submit 6,000 tickets and click on confirm, and you can see that I have entered the weekly draw. The third way of earning in this app is jackpot. Its total prize is $100. In this, you have to pick 5 numbers. If all your 5 numbers match with the jackpot numbers, you will win $100. Even if 2 of your numbers match with the jackpot numbers, you will be given some amount. The fourth way of earning in this app is leaderboard. The total prize of leaderboard is $80. To win $80, you will have to collect as many tickets as possible. The fifth way of earning in this app is lucky game. The total prize of lucky game is $1,000. In this, you can choose a number after seeing an ad. To fill the entire box, you will have to see 8 ads. Let me fill it live. I have skipped the ad because I cannot show the ad. I have filled the entire box after seeing 8 ads. If even 3 of these numbers match the lucky game numbers, you will easily earn $10. Now let's talk about the payment method of this app. In this app, you can withdraw your earning amount through PayPal. Its minimum withdrawal is $10. I currently have $7.25. Guys, the earning potential is a bit low in this app because it took me 1 month to earn $7.25. Its weekly giveaway is $32,300. This is a quite big amount. To earn money from this app, you will have to collect as many tickets as possible. The more tickets you have, the more cash you will win. Guys, now let's talk about the sign-up process of this app. I have given the sign-up link of this app in the description of the video. As soon as you click on the link given in the description, you will be directed to its sign-up page. Here you have to click on Save Your Progress. After that, click on Google. Now your account has been successfully created. If you have any kind of doubt, then comment and also subscribe to the channel.